Here is a specimen of Quercus falcata, the southern red oak. This individual is growing in the parking lot of Oak Grove Middle School and is probably not the best looking overall specimen, but it's easy to reach and easy to video. So we're going to look at this one. As we get closer, this is a fairly large specimen. You'll see that the older bark becomes quite blocky. It takes a while for the tree to get old enough for it to have this level of blockiness. You can see these are pretty big plates and fissures and stuff. But when you get older specimens like this, that's what it looks like. Quercus falcata leaves can be quite variable. There are two primary shapes that we tend to see. One is referred to as the bell and clapper state. Has a U-shaped base with three prominent lobes and resembles the silhouette of a bell with the clapper hanging out of the bottom. One of the other forms that we see is often referred to as the falcate form, where it's a slender leaf, more slender leaf, very deeply dissected with the terminal lobe, quite slender and often sort of cockeyed off to one side. The botanical term for that is actually falcate, was where we get the scientific name. It's hard to see in a video the overall nature of this tree, but using the G word, the overall gestalt of the tree when you're looking at it from a distance is that it is wilted and the leaves are sort of droopy. So you can kind of see in this little hatch of leaves I have silhouetted against the sky here, maybe you can see the leaves tend to hang downward. And that actually makes this tree quite easy to identify from a distance. Leaves also have a yellowish pubescence to the underside, and when they sort of bristle in the wind and the sunlight, it's easy to see that yellowish coloration from a distance as well. This is actually one of our easier red oaks to identify in the coastal plain.